today I will interview Hilwa Salma Syahdan. And for the first question, could you please introduce yourself and your current position?
Hello all. I am Hilwa. I am an accountant in the one of hotel in Bogor, West Java. My current position is accountant, and I responsible for managing financial report and ensuring accurate reporting.
Uh,
Of course, to the company, and because my company is a public company, uh, I manage the financial report for Otoritas Jasa Keuangan too.
what are your main jobs and responsibilities as an accountant in this company?
Of course, my main responsibilities including recording transactions, preparing financial report, monitoring expenses, controlling costs, and ensuring compliance with company policies.
How often do you prepare the reports?
I prepare report monthly with some summaries, weekly and annual, of course, for financial statement.
What kind of daily tasks do you usually do in the office?
Um, my daily tasks. I check and record transactions, verify invoices, reconcile account, and communicate with other department regarding financial data, like purchasing, finance, mm, mm, yeah, all of the team, of course.
Accounting work is closely related to the accuracy. How do you ensure that your work is accurate?
Of course, I double check data and use accounting system carefully.
Mhm.
Uh, we in this company using journal from Macari for the system and using the system internal system, follow the standard procedures and review reports before finalization.
As an accountant, do you also handle tax matters?
Yes, I assist in preparing tax and ensuring the company complies with tax regulations.
What are the biggest challenges in your job and how do you handle them?
My biggest challenge is handling large amount of data under deadlines.
Mhm.
I manage this by staying organized and prioritize tasks.
How important is teamwork in your responsibilities as an accountant?
Teamwork is very important, yeah, because I coordinate with other departments to ensure financial information is complete and accurate.
Many people think accounting is only about numbers. In your opinion, what skills are needed to do this job well?
Yeah, besides numerical skills, accountant need attention to detail, analytical thinking, communicating skill, and integrity.
Mhm, mhm. What advice would you give to students who want to become an accountant in the future?
Of course, first, learn the basic well. Practice using accounting software. Be detail oriented and always maintain honesty and professionalism.
Okay, that's all. I think thank you very much, Miss Hilwa, for sharing your experience and explaining your jobs and responsibilities as an accountant.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Coach Albana and today I will share insight from an interview I conduct with a professional accountant working in the hospitality industry. This interview provides valuable perspective on what it's really like to work as an accountant in a real business environment. Let me introduce our interviewee. Her name is Hilwa Salma Syahdan, and she works as an accountant at a hotel in Bogor, West Java. What makes her position particularly interesting is that she is responsible not just for internal financial report but also for regulatory compliance report to OJK, which is Indonesia Financial Service Authority. This shows the significant responsibility she carry in her role. When when I asked about her main responsibility, she outlined four key areas. First, recording all financial transactions that occurred in the hotel. Second, preparing comprehensive financial report. Third, monitoring expense and controlling costs to ensure the business stay profitable. And finally, ensuring compliance with company policy. These responsibilities show how accountants are central to an organization's financial health. One interesting aspect I learned is the frequency of reporting. It's not just one no report. She prepare weekly summary report for operational monitoring, which help management make quick decisions. Monthly report provide detailed financial analysis, and annually she prepare comprehensive financial statement for stakeholder and regulatory bodies. This regular reporting cycle ensure continuous financial oversight. On a daily basis, her work involves several routine but critical tasks. She checks and records transactions as they happen. She verifies invoices to ensure accuracy before payment. She reconciles accounts to make sure everything balances correctly. And importantly, she communicates with other departments like purchasing and finance to ensure that accuracy across the organization. This shows how accounting is really collaborative function. Given that accounting requires extremely high precision, I asked how she ensures accuracy in her work. She mentioned three key participants. First, she always double check all data entries before finalizing anything. Second, she used their accounting system very carefully. They use Journal by Mukari, which is a cloud-based accounting software. And third, she consistently follows standard procedure and review report before finalization. This systematic approach is what prevents costly error. Tax compliance is another crucial aspect of her work. She assists in preparing tax documentation and ensures the company comply with all tax regulations. This is particularly important because non-compliance can result in penalty and legal issue. Her role in this area helps maintain the company legal and financial integrity. Every job has its challenge, and I asked her about hers. Her biggest challenge is handling large amount of data and under tight deadlines, especially during month end and year end closing periods. How does she manage this? She told me she stay organized by creating clear work plans and prioritize tasks based on urgency importance. This time management skill is crucial for any accountant. I was serious about whether accounting is solitary jobs or require teamwork. She emphasized that teamwork is very important in her role. Why? Because she must coordinate with the other departments to gather information and ensure accurate financial data flow through the organization. Accounting doesn't happen in isolation. It requires input and collaboration from multiple teams. There is a common misconception that accounting is only about numbers. When I asked about necessary skill, she confirmed that while numerical skills are the foundation, accountant also need strong attention to detail to catch error, analytically thinking to interpret financial data and identify trends, and communication ability to work effectively with other teams. This makes accounting much dynamic than people think. Finally, I asked for her advice to students who want to become accountant. She gave four key recommendations. First, learn the basic truly because they form the foundation of everything you'll do. Second, practice using accounting software because technology is integral to modern accounting. Third, be detail oriented in all your tasks because small error can have big consequence. And most importantly, always maintain honesty and professionalism because accountant handles sensitive financial information and must be trustworthy. From this interview, I gained several important insights. First, I learned that accounting is much more than just working with numbers. Accountant actually play a strategic role in an organization by providing financial insight that guide business decisions. Second, technology integration is essential in modern accounting place. And the third, soft skills like communication and teamwork are just as important as technical accounting knowledge. What I learned from this interview. This interview taught me several valuable lessons. Accuracy and integrity are fundamental values that cannot be compromised in accounting work. Continuous learning is necessary because accounting standards and regulation constantly evolve. Cross-departmental collaboration is what makes accounting effective in practice. And finally, time management is critical, especially when working under pressure with tight deadlines. These insights have deepened my understanding of what it takes to be a successful accountant. In conclusion, the accounting profession demands a careful balance of technical expertise, meticulous attention to the detail, and strong interpersonal skill. This interview has highlighted the multifaceted nature of accounting work, particularly in the hospitality industry. It's provide valuable insight for anyone aspiring to become an accountant, showing that the profession is both challenging and rewarding, requiring continuous growth in both technical and soft skills. Thank you for your attention. I'd like to express special thanks to Hilwas Salma Shahdan for generously sharing her time and experience with me. Her insights have been invaluable in understanding the realities of working as an accountant.